We got spring tea, Supreme. Hey, last week was a banger, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I had to get my review of the Supreme Spring Tees in before the Nike joints drop, man. Because the Nike, I'm going crazy for Nike and Supreme. I really only go like headband, but I think I'm going to go crazy. But the Spring Tees, I go crazy for those too, man. So last week, Supreme, forget what week, season 24, tons of dope Supreme tees, man. And I liked some of them. The UGK one I really didn't like, but UGK is who UGK is, so I had to cop that one. Let's get into the review. So every tee that came out, well, not every tee, I guess the popular ones you got the sticker for. So of course we got the regular Supreme box logo sticker. Not regular. This is iconic, guys. But also you got the Supreme, I guess it's 1994, but right here just say 994. So I really like this tee here, guys. You get this sticker too, really dope. And this Supreme sticker here from Margaret King, I believe her name is, right? The illustrator who made the big eye characters. I believe she's passed away, RIP. So these was really the top 3 tees for the spring. And I got them all. So let's start with the more popular one. And that was the UGK one in this colorway. This one sold out the quickest as far as the spring tees. I don't know why purple was so popular, but then I thought about it for a little bit. Purple, Scissor, Houston, UGK. It kind of all went together with me. Texas, purple, you know what I mean? So here's the tag here on the plastic. Get that UGKT plastic. And here's the tee, guys. Pre-strung, 100% cotton. We already know. Feels thick. Feels springy. Don't feel like a summer tee. Does have some thickness to it, guys. And here we go. Right here on the front, you got UGK, Underground Kings, with the Texas state right there. And then you get the same thing on the back. Huge, though. I was kind of hoping for like maybe a Pimp C photo tee, Bun B, them together either way. But shouts that they even getting the respect they could get. UGK, Underground Kings. You got a burgundy, white, yellow graphic on a purple tee. Should be easy to match, man. Under it says super tight. And then you got a parental advisory sticker with the Supreme logo. So I'm a regular medium. That's my true to size. And I just always go medium with Supreme tees. The winter ones give you a little kind of, you know what I mean, muscular feel. And this tee here is shaped like a winter tee. The thickness is here, guys. You know, Supreme got some of them tees that's a little light. I think those are summer tees that sometimes the collar can droop after a wash, but not here, man. This is a thick one. Pause. Next up is the Josh Smith tee. I think this is the sticker I showed y'all, the 994 or the 1994 or whatever. Let's get this open. Oh, this one good material too, guys. Definitely good material too. So the front, you have basically nothing. Just a blue tee. But when you get to the back, they go the huge Supreme logo right there. And it is 994. I got to do my research on this tee. I just brought it because I thought it was dope. And I thought it was just saying Supreme 1994. Right? Because Supreme is from 94 or 95. Let me know in the comment section below. But man, it looks dope. It looks like a kid just painted Supreme on a red box, but man, this shirt is definitely to turn heads, man. It's definitely going to turn heads. So on the site, I still see sizes in most colorways. Some only small is available, but it's not sold out. That's the good thing, man. But I like this tee here, guys. Let me know what y'all know. Let me know how y'all feel about this one. And here's the Margaret King teardrop tee. And if you know Margaret King, I think she passed away. I'm not trying to put death on her. If she did, R.I.P. But I think I remember reading that a couple of years ago. She's known for like the characters with the big eyes, the crying big eyes, man. So I brought this tee for that alone, but I went with the pink colorway because I'm trying to get my my Powerpuff Girls. I forget which one is pink. Blossom. I'm trying to get an outfit to go with these. This pink looks a little more pink than that sneaker, but this pink is fire, man. This that Cameron. This that Pink Panther pink. This shirt doesn't feel as thick as the UGK joint, but it ain't flimsy neither. But a little less cotton, I guess you could say. But there you go. Supreme logo is dope on the top of the picture. You see the big eyes and the little girl. Dope look, man. That's the front. Nothing's on the back. Again, I went with a medium. True to size, it fits perfect. Like, this is a medium I have on now. It just fits perfect, guys. There's probably the blue one I showed you is my favorite tee, but I really like this pink one. Military blue fours, guys. So yeah, man, that's my review on the Supreme spring tees. It was dope this year. I think last year was a little better. But showing UGK love, man, that's dope to me. Let me know how you feel about these, which one you cop. Again, it's some sizes still on the site. They didn't sell out. And StockX has them for like maybe $10 above. So they there if you've seen them and you like them, man. Just let me know what's your favorite one in the comment section below. This week we got the Nike joint coming, and I'm gonna finally get some sweats or a hoodie. I usually just get the headband, but I think I'm gonna go hard this week with Nike and Supreme. I'm your boy Sneaker Knows. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.